Do you have tight shoulder muscles, traps, neck pain? I'm gonna show you how to fix that. What you're gonna need first is a lacrosse ball, a hard, firm ball. You're gonna take this ball and place it on the back of your traps, pressing into the wall. And then you're gonna have small circular motions. What you're gonna do is act as a massage therapist, getting rid of any knots and tensions, increasing that range of motion. Next, same thing with the lacrosse ball. Now you're taking it and placing it in between the shoulder blades here. So you're taking the ball in between your shoulder blades, have the arm across the body, up and down motion until you find that aha spot. It's gonna hurt a lot. Savor it and just dig into it. Now we're gonna take the shoulder through some range of motion exercises. So what you're gonna do is have your arms straight out in front of you, reach as far forwards as you possibly can, coming back as far as you can. You're gonna keep doing that range and just changing the angle each time. Make sure to have it slow and controlled all the way to the top of the head. After you're done that, arms straight out, coming up above your head as far as possible, reach to the ceiling, rotate away from you, all the way back towards the wall and down. Give that a try. Let me know how your shoulders are. If you want a free shoulder release program, like this video and comment shoulder release to get your free shoulder release program.